Hey growers, farmers, people building greenhouses, thanks for checking us out today. Today I'm going to talk to you about a greenhouse essential, a hardware that you must have. This is called Spring-Lock channel and wire. This stuff is amazing. This wire wiggles right in here like this and holds the plastic. I'm going to give you an example, and then I'm actually going to put it up on this this storage shed that we have that has all wiggle wire holding up different plastics. First I'm going to stuff in the plastic. Just wiggle it in like this. Look at that. I mean, it's just fascinating. It's tight. It's tight. If your plastic loses, based on temperature, if it expands or contracts, you could loosen it up, pull the plastic tighter, and reinsert. It's a must-have product. Don't think that you can simplify this and say, oh, I'll just put a nail or use 2x4s. No, not a chance. Use Spring-Lock channel and wire. The other amazing thing is you can double stuff. So if you have your plastic in there, you want to use some shake cloth. We got amazing shake cloth, guys, all different sizes, all different colors. Absolutely fascinating what we carry. So you can even double stuff. There's room for, I believe, 3 different wires. So you can put this in here. Check that out, double stuff. Shake cloth of the best quality, greenhouse plastic. Now to take the example to another level, I'm going to go up and I'm going to hang it just to give you some more insight on how this works. Okay, so this is already an existing shed. We have all kinds of wiggle wire and channel on here. We're holding up a shake cloth for like a garage door we kind of hold. We have our 20 mil. This stuff is awesome, and we're using it as a side panel here. But I found a section here. So with this section, I'll show you how I'm going to hang plastic. So you can see when you're on a ladder, no drills, you get this stuff mounted onto the framework. There you have it. It also snips real easy with a wire cutter. Look at that. That's up. Now let's double stuff it. Can I please? You have another piece of wiggle wire hanging. There you have it. There's your shake cloth. There's your greenhouse plastic. And once again, comes off when you want it to come off. Real nice and easy. Please give us a call. If you've got a large order, ask for one of our execs. They'll put it together for you. So there's no order too small, there's no order too big. Farm Plastic Supply.